Delaware Park playing this Dragon Train. We got the train. It's a good thing. We're betting max bet on pennies. We got 100. I know we got 50, 60, 70. I got almost 100, I think. Come on, big numbers. Up to get 11,000. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 50s. That's 200. I think we're starting off with about 300. Come on, one more. There we go. Fill this bad boy up, we get 11,000. Man, that would be such a blessing.
No camera phones.